Looking for the perfect lip gloss to elevate your beauty game? You're in the right place. We've rounded up some of the best options that deliver shine, hydration, and a touch of glam. From buttery smooth formulas to plumping glosses, these picks will leave your lips feeling fabulous. Dive in and discover your new favorites. Number 1, NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss. If you're looking for a non-sticky, high-quality lip gloss that leaves your lips feeling soft and kissable, the NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss in Sugar Glass is a must-have. Its buttery, smooth texture glides on effortlessly, delivering a natural, glossy finish with sheer to medium coverage. Whether you're going for a minimalist look or layering it over lipstick for extra shine, this gloss never disappoints. The lightweight formula is comfortable for all-day wear and won't leave your lips feeling sticky or greasy. Plus, it's cruelty-free, certified by PETA, and available in a wide range of shades to suit any makeup style. With over 110,000 positive reviews and a 4.5-star rating, it's clear why this gloss ranks number 1 in the lip gloss category. Customers love its long-lasting wear and smooth application, making it a go-to for daily use. For a non-sticky, glossy pout that looks and feels great, NYX Butter Gloss is an excellent choice. Number 2, Maybelline Lifter Gloss. Looking for a lip gloss that adds shine and hydration? The Maybelline Lifter Gloss in Ice might just be your new best friend. With hyaluronic acid packed in, this gloss smooths out your lips and makes them look fuller, like you've just stepped out of a glam session minus the hefty price tag. The translucent pink shade, Ice, offers a high gloss finish that'll have your lips looking selfie ready in a single swipe. Plus, the XL wand? It's like using a magic wand, but for your lips. And guess what? It's non-sticky, so your hair won't keep getting stuck in it on windy days. We've all been there. The only minor hiccup? The tube is a bit on the chunky side, but with this much product, you won't need to reapply every 5 minutes. If you're after smooth, shiny, and plump lips without the sticky mess, Maybelline Lifter Gloss is the perfect sidekick for your beauty bag. Number 3, Laneige Lip Glowy Balm. The Laneige Lip Glowy Balm is a must-have for those seeking hydrated, glossy lips on the go. This lightweight balm, enriched with shea butter and muru seed butter, delivers long-lasting moisture, leaving your lips soft and kissable. Available in shades like berry and gummy bear, it offers a subtle tint that adds a pop of color while providing a glossy, non-sticky finish. The balm's compact size makes it perfect for carrying in your purse for quick touch UPS throughout the day. While the gloss may last about an hour, the hydration benefits linger, keeping lips moisturized long after the shine fades. Users love the softness it brings, though some wish the gloss stayed longer and noted the faint scent with no flavor. Overall, with a 4.7-star rating from over 26,000 reviews, it remains a popular choice despite its higher price point. For a balance of hydration and style, Laneige Lip Glowy Balm is a worthy addition to your lip care routine. Number 4, NYX Professional Makeup Fat Oil Lip Drip. Looking for a lip product that delivers both hydration and shine? Meet the NYX Professional Makeup Fat Oil Lip Drip in Mist. Call your new best friend. This vegan, cruelty-free tinted lip gloss is like a drink of water for your lips, boasting up to 12 hours of moisture. The non-sticky formula glides on smoothly, making your lips feel as refreshed as a morning coffee minus the jitters. With 8 universally flattering shades, Mist Call gives you a sheer pink tint that enhances your natural beauty. It's perfect for when you want to look effortlessly chic, or when you just rolled out of bed and need a little help to look alive. Rated 4.5 stars by over 22,000 fans, this gloss is a crowd pleaser. Users love its hydrating powers and easy application. So, whether you're heading to brunch or a date, grab this lip gloss for a high shine look that's sure to turn heads, and maybe even a few giggles. Number 5, ELF Lip Plumping Gloss in Sparkling Rose. I recently tried the ELF Lip Plumping Gloss in Sparkling Rose, and I'm absolutely smitten. This gloss promises to plump, nourish, and hydrate your lips, and let me tell you, it delivers like a pizza on a Friday night. The formula is packed with vitamin E and coconut oil, leaving my lips feeling softer than a cloud. The application is smooth, and I love the invigorating tingling sensation. It's like a mini lip workout. My lips look fuller and shinier, perfect for turning heads in the office or while sneaking snacks in the pantry. Customers rave about it too, with one saying, "You could not find quality like this anywhere else for that price." Honestly, for a price that won't make your wallet cry, this gloss is a steal. Overall, I highly recommend the ELF Lip Plumping Gloss. It's a fun, affordable way to elevate your beauty routine without resorting to overly dramatic plumping methods. Go ahead, give your lips some love. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.